Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of LLCA485. This is our 1990 Cadillac Allante. Picked this unit up from a local salvage auction. It was a donated vehicle. Looked really clean on the screen. As we got it here, we started to figure out why it was donated. A lot of hidden damage all over this thing. Nothing terrible, but just a lot of broken stuff. So spent a good amount of time going through this bad boy on inventory, figuring out what was good on it. Front bumper was damaged as well. So a lot of stuff you wouldn't pick up on in an IAA auction photos here. 4.9 liter V8 under the hood does run extremely well. It's got Flowmasters on it, so it actually has a decent sound. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up here. Starts right up, as you guys can see. Waiting for the mileage. 102,000 miles on it. Actually sounds pretty good. Give her a couple of revs for you guys. Little white trash trailer park in there, but she makes all the good noises. Motor is extremely quiet up here, no noise, well, whatever. No ticking, knocking, nothing like that. Has good oil in it. Not too worn out. I'm gonna step inside here and we'll test out the transmission really fast. The top has a bad cinch down motor in the back, as you guys can see. So we're not gonna be able to fully test that. The front does latch. And we got a brake failure. This is one that'll turn off. All right, let's go ahead and put it in gear. I've got reverse. Drive right away. The awesome vacuum parking brake doesn't want to disengage, which is known to fail on these. Let's test out the power window regulators here. Driver's side's working well. Passenger side is working well. Maybe not. See if it's the switch. It's the switch. All right, well, this switch is gonna need a rebuild if we go ahead and sell it here. It's got one of the lights out and the up does not work from this side. As you guys can see, the center stack has some issues all the way around. We were kind of hoping it would be in better shape. Digital cluster works extremely well though. Go ahead and turn this thing off here. Oh, I'm stuck. There's the door handle. They hit it down there. That is going to wrap up the test video of LLCA485, our 1990 Cadillac Allante. If you guys are looking for parts off this unit, I'm going to leave a link to our website, www.jnjautorwrecking.com, or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J. Thanks for watching.